Time to ride. This is VMAX.
See how this camera works. Lift it in a position. Let's see here. Okay. VMAX. I think I'm ready to cruise around the country in this thing. Why not? Looks like a nice ride. Ready to put a couple things in there. Roll out. Check on this FZ. I should have stayed on top of it, but I don't need it. You know, the bike's in good hands. So it's okay. Well, the bike is ready. I can get it anytime. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. Look at that cool Harley right here. Oh, that was cool. Japanese cruiser, man. That looked nice. I don't know what it was. Probably Honda. Oh no. Yeah. Make a pretty good cruiser product. You know? Fuck it. Save this footage, Baker. Whoever you don't have a fucking job, so you might be able to get around to fucking off with this video footage and maybe editing it and uploading it for fun.